welcome to Going Guitar. We have Ella Henderson and she sings Filthy Rich, alright? So not just rich, filthy rich, and rich on what? Yeah, you have to listen for it. I think you understand that pretty quickly when you watch the lyrics or the movie there for the music. So anyway, let's go into this one. And this is a great song to start with, since we have the 4 famous chords here, and they will come if you use a capo on 3rd frets. All right, so put the capo on 3rd frets if you want to match up with the song. Anyway, I recommend you to use the 4 chords: E minor, D, G, and C. Let's go over the chords, and starting with E minor. And for this specific song, we'll keep the bottom there same throughout it. Throughout the song, we have the 3rd fret B string and 3rd fret E string glued throughout this. So let's rock the E minor first. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. The next chord will be D. Alright, so that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have G next. That goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E, and the final chord C, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So you're gonna stay with the fingers down there. So the ring finger on 3rd fret B string, little pinky on 3rd E, and you just change the bass notes there. All right. So we're gonna look at the strumming. So if you start with E minor, that's the first chord, and I can just mention now, we have the chord progression of E minor, D, G, and C from the beginning till the end. That's great. So E minor first, you're gonna play, and that's a very common strumming pattern. You're gonna play down, down, and I suggest you play the first down on the bass strings, and the second down, the higher strings down here. So, and then up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. That is 1 string round. A couple rounds goes like this. Alright, so you're gonna play 1 of these string rounds per chord. I already mentioned the chord progression, E minor, D, G, and C. Let's do a couple rounds together. And that's how it goes. So a great song to start with, like I mentioned. Very common chords. And if you take away the bottom there from E minor and from C as well, you have standard C and standard E minor, you are set for thousands of songs. And you can actually use these exact chords as well, because they're so common. So a great song there, and very common strumming pattern as well. So that combo makes a great song to start with. Filthy Rich with Ella Henderson. Thank you for watching, guys, and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much, and play tuned.